Toyota FT86 sports car with a simple concept. This coupe has a wide but still slim shape. A dead with a comfortable cabin typical of Toyota, this car is stylish and has amazing performance. The Toyota FT86 is 1,285mm high, 1,775mm wide, 4,240mm long, and its wheelbase is 2,517. With a ground clearance of 130mm, this car is quite ideal for driving in Indonesia. The Toyota FT86 car came to Wetgloss to do permanent coating. Of course, the coating is done in Wetgloss, not smeared or on stickers, but only sprayed. The spray process is complete. You can see for yourself. The results from the wet gloss coating are so good. Proof of how good the wet gloss coating is not only on this FT86 car, but many other cars have become it forever muddy after wet gloss coating. I remind you once again, the wet gloss coating is sprayed, not smeared or applied as a sticker. Wetgloss permanent paint protection